Okay, Cindy, so you're still busy here with this lot? Oh my
The
goodness.
whole day. I've got to make dinner now. Here we go again, trying another recipe for our book that we are making. We went through to Delmas, to a farm, to my brother-in-law, and it was a superb ride. Reminded us of us going away soon, and it's very soon that we're going to travel South Africa. We're leaving, and we found out that he makes the most stunning items.
That's the bridge.
I will leave Derek's WhatsApp information underneath in the description.
For the computer, then we just put it here. You know how it goes, right?
Yes.
Then if you run and put that in there, like that, and put that up there, like that.
That's how we put the table in.
And this table just falls into place. Like
Yeah, and that's our work. It's
Can I have a
brilliant.
coffee, please?
You may.
Yeah, that's a little project I'm on now, to fit it there.
Yeah. So
It's coming on slowly but surely.
yeah, so I can see he's putting pieces of wood
I
in.
put a block there
Yeah, to
that it can
help
rest
it.
on. And now I'm busy working here to put another block here so it can rest on here.
Yeah,
Then there's going to be a chain holding it together so it'll hold it up.
yeah. Fantastic. Okay, Graham, DIY man.
Here we go.
Always busy.
Always busy.
So Graham,
I know.
hi. So you've been working very hard
As
again.
always making a little gadget to help my lady who doesn't know what the heck is going on here.
And then he's
Okay,
made
so what
this.
I've done is, without having the computer there,
Yeah.
we watch videos here at night. So it's the same table. I've
Yeah.
just put little stops at the back and it's got a hanging chain. So when we're not using it, you can put these away. That's all that's going to hang out the way here.
Yeah.
So I think it's alright like that.
Perfect. And we can watch TV at night.
Yeah, so then we're going to have some videos.
Yeah.
Right.
So it's looking quite cool. Sorry, the
Okay.
curtain's blowing.
Hello Cindy.
Hi Graham.
Okay, so I see you very busy here on your computer, eh?
I am.
Wow, what you doing here,
I'm
girl?
editing.
Are you editing?
But I'm editing a book,
A book?
a recipe book. We're going to start with edition 1.
Oh wow.
And yeah, I'm enjoying that you've made me this beautiful table.
Can I have a look at the table first before you carry on?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I did was I took a piece of wood and I notched it so that the wall is notched. And it's got a support underneath at the back. I don't know if you can see, there's another piece of plank there. So it's wedging so that it stays level. Both sides. This side it sits on the basin, on the counter here. And it's got a bit on the back there where you can put your phone and all that type of thing. But yeah, it's sturdy. It's like a house. I can't move it. And that is perfect. It's a nice height. Cindy does sit on a little cushion if she wants. The one behind her.
I'm actually not on it.
Yeah, there it is behind her. She likes to sit on that. But she says today she's going to be chilled out and just do what she wants to. Is that right?
Yeah.
What did you say you're going to do? You're editing what?
I'm editing a book.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this is the computer and everything that you're busy with.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're making a book of Jaunti and recipes and you're doing art and you're writing little poems. I can't wait till you see this book come out, eh? Anyway,
It's part of both of us. That's what
enjoy, my darling. It's going to be all three of us You,
And we
me,
test.
and Jaunti.
Yes, we're testing the recipes as well.
Ah,
As we
yeah.
go.
Such a nice time, eh? Okay,
Well,
speak to you later.
going to make my own personal journal. I might even, you
Oh
never
wow,
know.
look at this.
It might be sold. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, what is that? Is that Jaunti there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So I haven't glued it in, but there's going to be handwriting in,
Oh,
poems,
lovely.
and again, poems and recipes. So it'll be another one like my online one
Okay.
that I'm going to have printed, but this will be a very personal one.
Alright.
And if I get a lot of money, I might sell it one day.
I think that is quite a bargain.
Yeah.
So that's what you're busy with.
Yes.
You're putting a computer version on.
Yes, so that's separate to this.
Okay.
This will have my paintings and drawings in it as I
Okay.
go
Alright.
along our journey.
Okay.
So I'll be putting, like, this is what I made.
Yeah, a little drawing.
yeah.
Look at that, like a little
It's
painting.
like a comic drawing.
Oh, look at that little Jaunti there.
Yeah, so that's going to be in there. So this is the start.
Yeah, love
with
it.
my writing, you know, you don't get handwritten things anymore.
No,
Everything's online. So
I'm so glad
this
you're
is
doing
going to
something
be quite
like that.
beautiful.
It's going to be awesome.
You know, I might put something on here. You never know.
Yeah.
Whatever. But yeah, that's a
It's
start.
a pity that we didn't do this earlier because I had a foiling machine. We could have put gold writing on the back,
And
on the front. But
those things
history.
change. Yeah. And
History.
we're moving on to new things now.
Yep.
And guess what? We're going to be moving on soon.
Oh yes. Can't wait.
Surprise, surprise.
Okay. Speak to you later.
Bye.
Graham, what you doing today, my hun?
I'm bugging around. No, I'm just trying to help my brother with a little woodwork type lathe
Yeah.
because he makes fancy little fancy
Jewelry boxes.
jewelry boxes. I nearly said it. Jewelry boxes like a little piano and
Yeah, they're
and a
beautiful.
little violin and hearts and little boxes. Wow. And he makes them all by hand.
Yes.
Look.
Okay, you can show us the one before it's even made. Yes, we've got.
Making them by hand, yeah.
I'm going to show you
This is what he makes by
It's-
hand.
exactly.
Look at the wood he cuts by hand and sticks together and makes a piano and a little keyboard down the
Yeah.
bottom, piano board.
I'm going to put.
This is
What is it? Is that the
something
keyboard?
else he had, yeah.
Oh, putting on the edges.
The heart.
Oh wow.
And he's just gluing these things together.
Oh wow.
And this is going to be a heart. Beautiful.
And he said no one taught him. He taught himself.
Yeah. This
So-
actually has a hinge.
Yeah.
I can't see it now. I don't want to mess it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe he cuts it afterwards.
And-
Quality sort of material.
Yeah.
He's got some inside the house.
I'm going
We're going
to-
to have a look now.
Yes.
You
Okay.
can go crazy
All
there.
right. So here's Derek.
Yeah. Just need to put a spacer there.
So Graham's actually helping out to fix up his. This was their dad's old machine, wasn't it?
The motor, yeah.
Yeah.
The machine I've got from the workshop.
Oh, okay.
No, this is a bit low.
Next thing. Biscuits on. Don't worry, Graham's looking to see what he's doing.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your
set up for when we're watching TV at night. Very cool that Graham's done. And then in the day it sets up as you saw before, between the two walls, so we can watch videos. YouTube. On our way back from Delmas, from our brother-in-law, we stopped off here. Graham did a photography course when he was young. He used to do photography with the darkroom, and this was his project on learning how to do photography. So there he is reminiscing, and that was quite a lot of fun stopping off here. It's a beautiful building in Springs.